Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? It's a massive update for all of you, my brother, and I am so happy to see this Polygon is wake up. Congratulations, all of you, my brother. This video is going to be very special because you know what's the reasons to this video is going to be special. First of all, I want to tell you, my friend, the main reason. This time the change occurred last 24 hours, last 1 hour. It's definitely, my friend, everybody understand to this coin is wake up and completely the price is in the profit, and definitely if the price is increasing, so that's mean, my brothers, to the coin is more take a massive jump and completely everybody is in the profit now. And definitely what's the reason to they will take a profit, my friend, especially in those days? There are, my friends, two main reasons. The first big reason, my friend, I will tell you after this, my friend. Please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Kindly click the red button. 10,000 people subscribe this channel, so therefore you all trusting absolutely of you subscribe this channel, so I hope you never lost, my friend, in every critical situation, my brother. So please subscribe. All right, come to the point, my brother. What's the main reason to this coin is wake up and give you a profit? The main big reason is that, my friends, so this is the end of month. Everybody know this. To it the end of month, every cryptocurrency is wake up and go in the moon. So therefore if they go in the moon, so it's mean, so they will give you a profit. So therefore I will tell you to Polygon will make you millionaire, my brother, just in only in 2 or 3 days. So kindly holders, a lot of holders are starting doing very huge mistake, my friend, in those days. So I want to you will be safe, my friend, from loss, and don't do this mistake. Be safe from loss. The mistake is that, my brothers, to this starting selling. Definitely if you starting selling in the wrong time, so absolutely you will be lost now. So kindly be safe from loss. Don't sell it in the same time, just in only 2 to 5 days, my friend, if you stop selling. So therefore I hope they will move upward more and more and they will give you a profit. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, holder, please research personally before you take any decision, but this is my advice, my brother, for all of you. So holder, what you say, please, this is sharing time, holding time, please tell me in the comment box, and my opinion is to please hold it now. So thanks for watching. My prediction is completely going to be positive now, because you know, my brother, especially after a fail, every cryptocurrency will take a very huge jump now. So therefore you can see a like that, especially after this fails they will take a jump. So it's mean, my brothers, to after this fail they also there is a chance, so they will take a jump. Let's see, holder, but kindly please subscribe this channel for more this type prediction video and updates. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time.